Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. Thanks again for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you next time. Why Airbnb is the best option for Cebu City, an in-depth look at Horizon Condominium. Intro. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This video is about the best option for accommodation in Cebu City, Airbnb. We take a deep dive and explore the benefits of staying in a condo at 101 Horizon Condominium. Advantages of Airbnb. First of all, I would like to highlight the general advantages of Airbnb. Flexibility. Airbnb offers a wide range of accommodations, from apartments and studios to entire houses and villas. You are guaranteed to find the perfect accommodation for your needs and budget. Unique experiences. Airbnb accommodations are often personalized and uniquely designed, allowing you to have a more authentic and personal experience of the city. Local vibe. Airbnbs are often located in residential areas, away from tourist hotspots. This way you can experience the city like a local and get in touch with the local culture. Price advantages. In many cases, Airbnbs are cheaper than comparable hotel rooms, especially if you are traveling with a group or family. The 101 Horizon Condominium in detail. Now that we've covered the benefits of Airbnb in general, I'd like to talk specifically about 101 Horizon Condominium, which is a great choice for a stay in Cebu City for several reasons. 1. Unparalleled location. 101 Horizon Condominium is located in the heart of Cebu City, in close proximity to major attractions. Within a few minutes walk you can reach Ayala Center Cebu, SM City Cebu, Fuente Osmeña Circle and many other attractions. Restaurants, cafes, bars and shops are in the immediate vicinity and offer everything you need for a comfortable stay. 2. Exclusive features. The 101 Horizon Condominium offers guests a variety of amenities to ensure an unforgettable stay. Pool. Relax by the pool and enjoy the tropical sun. Fitness center. Work out in the fitness center and stay fit during your vacation. Sauna. Let the stress fade away in the sauna and treat yourself to a soothing break. 24-hour security. 101 Horizon Condominium offers 24-hour security so you don't have to worry during your stay. 3. Spacious and comfortable condos. The condos at 101 Horizon Condominium are spacious and offer all the comforts you want for a relaxing stay. Fully equipped kitchen, cook your favorite meals and enjoy cozy evenings in the accommodation. Living room, relax on the sofa and watch a movie or use the free wireless internet access. Bedrooms, the bedrooms offer comfortable beds and enough space to store your personal belongings. 4. Excellent value for money. Prices for the condos at 101 Horizon Condominium vary depending on size, amenities, and season. Compared to hotels, Airbnbs often offer significantly better value for money, especially for longer stays. Tip: book your accommodation in advance to get the best prices and ensure availability. 5. Airbnb experiences and reviews. Read reviews from other Airbnb guests to learn more about their experiences at 101 Horizon Condominium. Find out about the amenities of each condo and choose the accommodation that best suits your needs. Use the Airbnb platform to contact the host and ask questions or make special requests. Conclusion. Airbnb is the perfect choice for anyone looking for comfortable, flexible, and affordable accommodation in Cebu City. The 101 Horizon Condominium stands out due to its excellent location, extensive amenities and spacious condos.